The honourable member from Charlottetown, Victoria Park.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. March 8th, as we just established, is International Women's Day, a global day of recognition celebrating the social, cultural, and political achievements of women-identifying people and girls, and raising awareness of the work left to do. After the year we've all lived through, I think we can all agree that women-identifying peoples are often the backbone of our families, our communities, and our province. From frontline healthcare workers to grocery store clerks, to teachers and caregivers, these essential jobs are largely filled by women-identifying people. I would like to recognize the women-identifying people who shouldered the increased burden at home. In March, when schools and daycares were closed, the burden of childcare and education often fell on us. We see the lasting effects of this in our workforce statistics. Across the country, women-identifying people lost more jobs and have continued to have a significantly higher unemployment rate compared to men-identifying people, even to this day. We see this especially for our youth. From the early research I've read, many have reported having to leave their jobs due to the increase in unpaid work that they have taken on during this pandemic. Not all women-identifying people left the workforce, of course, and many were able to work from home. Well, let me tell you, from what I've heard from constituents, working from home with young children is like trying to do 2 full-time jobs simultaneously, and I think we all agree with that. You end up burnt out, exhausted, and not feeling like you've done a good job at either one, and I can relate to this 100%, and it leads to some mental health effects. But even after such a year of hardship, we continue to press on and lead us towards a better future. The rallies for Black Lives Matter and Mental Health Matters were both led by women-identifying people. Our absolutely amazing Chief Public Health Officer and Chief Nursing Officer have guided us through this scary time with grace and understanding, all the while raising their own young families at home. Mr. Speaker, many of our community and advocacy groups are led by women-identifying people who have bold and brave visions for PEI. I support and appreciate all the work you do. I see you. These amazing women-identifying people all across PEI give me such hope for the future, hope for my daughter and for my son to live in a more equitable world than the one we are currently living in. I would be remiss if I didn't acknowledge the work that we must do. There is so much that still needs to be done. This year's theme, as I mentioned earlier, is Choose to Challenge. So I am choosing to challenge government, and especially the minister responsible for the status of women, but all ministers and every one of us in this House as leaders to work towards this future, not just in words, but in actions. The women, girls, and those who identify as such on PEI deserve a more equitable future. The men and boys, the people who identify as men and boys on PEI deserve a more equitable future. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.